Today in your mini lesson, you learned that you can break a word before the consonant and LE when you come across a word that you're unsure of that ends in LE. So for example, in the word puzzle, I would break it before the consonant and then the LE, and I could break it up and say puzzle. Same thing with purple. Here's the consonant, here's the LE, so the slash would go between the R and the P for purple. And also with tumble, here's the consonant, here's the LE, so the slash mark would go before the B and the LE to break it apart. Today, while you're reading, if you come across a new word, I want you to use your finger to break it apart to help you read it. If you come across a word that ends in LE, try breaking it right before the consonant and the LE like we learned today. Please bring your book when we meet so you can share the new words that you learned today.